student of class 11 are going to conduct a drama based on the periodic table.
So I request chemistry sir to come over the stage and deliver a quotation.
As you know, chemistry is the study of element and compound, and it is the study by interacting with one another to form chemical reactions. Like alphabet from word, like elements form compound and a vast variety of matter. Here, each and every element is important for us, and based on that, our class 11 students prepare a short skit science drama. And welcome to all class 11 students with a big round of applause. Welcome class 11 science students.
Hello everyone, this is the place where matters, non-matters and metallites fight with each other. Welcome to the elemental experiment block.
ଆମେ ମାନେ ଆଙ୍କରିଂ ଏଇଟା କରନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆମର ଅଛି ଧରିଥାନ୍ତୁ କରିଦେବେ ଆଉ ଖାଲି ଆଙ୍କରିଂ ତ କରିବେ ସାର୍ ମୋର ଗୀତ ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି
Sister, you know what? Gold is fighting with me. He is telling me that he is the greatest element. Oh, is it so? Let's go to the gold. Gold, come out.
What's your matter, gold? Oxygen?
Your brother is fighting with my sister. He is telling me he is the greatest element. Why are you fighting, guys? Please shut up. Sulfur, we the non-metal are the greatest, right? Yes, we are of course. Good joke. But we are everywhere from the body of living organism to the structure they create. Bad joke. You guys are everywhere, but we are the most important for the living organism to survive. I'm the best.
Hello everyone, I am silicon.
You are silicon, non-metal, right? Let's come and fight against the metal.
No, you are metal. Come join us.
No, I am neither a metal nor a non-metal. I have both the property of metal and non-metal. I am metalite. I declared myself as the queen of the land of element.
Wait, what? This can't happen. Our prince is helium. I will take you to Helium, the treasure of the land of element. Oh, so you are the prince. Let's come fight. And so who is more stronger? Why is he not reacting?
He does not react to anyone.
Why is it so?
Are you dumb? Don't you know that he is a noble gas, does not react with anybody?
So what is the use if he doesn't react? I am the strongest of all. I need to be the queen.
I am the most cool looking. I will be the king.
I am the most important. I will be the queen.
I will be the queen. I will be the queen.
Please don't fight. What's the matter? Let's resolve the conflict.
It is no time to talk. I am the strongest of all. I need to be the queen.
What? That can't happen.
Then I call my army of metalite and fight a war and see who wins.
We do metal are ready to fight. So what we are waiting for? Let's fight.
Let's fight. Whoever will be the king.
Please don't fight. Maybe all our physical and chemical properties are different, but we all belong to the same family, the family of chemistry. All are important. No one is superior or inferior.
No, this is no time to talk. I am the strongest of all and you cannot stop me from the becoming queen.
Hey, please stop fighting.
Who are you?
I am Mendeleev, a Russian chemist. I have come from the land of humans.
So you are human, right?
Yes.
So please say for the human who is more important.
For us, every one of you is important. If one of you is absent, then our nature will be imbalanced.
Oh, is it so?
Yes.
What could we do now?
Leave that to me.
What are you going to do?
I am arranging you all in the manner of increasing order by your atomic masses. This is now the periodic table.
Thank you, sir. I was so afraid that our land of chemistry will destroy. You saved us. Thank you.
That's my duty. I am leaving for now.
Hey, Mendeleev, stop.
Who are you?
I am Moses. This is not the correct students were happy and satisfied with their position in the modern periodic table. Thank you.